We are here at Daytona Speedway and we are doing here the world premiere from the new 718 GT4 Clubsport. Porsche fans will love this car because we kept the focus on a club sport car with low cost of ownerships and a very good performance. So we have two different options. It's the Trackday version and the competition version. We increased the horsepower. We have 425 horsepower in the car. We have improved the downforce of nearly 70% in comparison of the 981. We show in the car new material, a new innovation. It's a natural fiber material which goes away from the CFK. It's in the nature and it's renewable.
It's more sustainable than carbon fiber. For the production of the raw material, we need 75% less energy than for producing the carbon fiber. We are looking in the future and trying to do something for the environment, even in motorsport.
The focus for us was to bring innovations like the new material in the car so that motorsport is possible in the future as well.
Plenty of Porsches make visits to the track, but the company's Club Sport models are specifically for speeding around the circuit. The motorsport masters of the German brand are now ready to offer a new machine for shaving seconds off a lap with the introduction of the new 718 Cayman GT4 Clubsport. The GT4 Clubsport is available in two forms. The Trackday version is for amateur racers who are looking for a potent machine to take to their local circuit. More serious folks can get the competition variant that is spec'd for various national and international class rules. Both variants use a 3.8-liter flat six pumping out 420 horsepower and 314 foot-pounds of torque. A 6-speed dual-clutch gearbox and a mechanical locking rear differential handle sending the power to the road. The front suspension comes straight from the 911 GT3 Cup racer. As a race car, you can't expect the GT4 Clubsport to have many amenities. For driver safety, the vehicle comes standard with a FIA-compliant welded-in roll cage, Recaro racing buckets with a 6-point harness, and an escape hatch in the roof. A Cosworth digital instrument display has a data logger for helping even quicker. The GT4 Clubsport also features Porsche's first use of natural fiber composite in a vehicle available to the public. The material is similar to carbon fiber, including having comparable levels of weight and stiffness.